Great audio can make a huge difference in your videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust audio levels in CapCut Mobile so your music, voiceovers, and sound effects are perfectly balanced. Let's get started. First step is to open CapCut Mobile and select New Project or an existing project. Make sure everything is arranged on the timeline before making any adjustments. Second step is to tap the audio track or video clip whose sound you want to adjust. If you are using background music, select the audio track and you can also adjust the volume of the audio. From the editing menu, select volume. A slider will appear allowing you to increase or decrease the audio level with a simple drag. For the next step is to create a more professional sound. Apply fade in at the beginning of your music and fade out at the end. Play the timeline as you make changes to hear how different audio tracks blend together. And there you have it! That's how you adjust audio levels in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all!